Hi everyone, my name is Sam and I thought I would come and tell you about my inner child workshop that I've launched on Udemy. I'm an emerging arts therapist. I've had a bunch of training and I will forever continue to gain more training, but something that is of special interest to me is working with the inner aspects, kind of like Disney's movie Inside Out. The one I've just done a workshop on is the inner child. I first discovered the inner child thanks to Lucia Cappuccini's book, Recovery of Your Inner Child. And this workshop is based on her work. The workshop is about connecting to your inner child and creating a relationship with it by having a dialogue with the modalities of both drawing and writing. What my workshop will take you through is firstly how to create a sacred container within which to hold all the communication. It will look something like this. I say something like this because this is a photo of me as a child, and you will put a photo of yourself as a child or something else. Also, I chose yellows and oranges and browns, but you might go with blues, greens, purples, pink, whatever. You can just work with whatever you have and whatever you are drawn to. This is about letting that playful little one inside you have some fun for a while as you put off the adulting for just a little while. After we create this vessel, I will take you through a guided visualization to connect with your inner child, and in that visualization, we will come across a door. So once the visualization is done, I will guide you through creating your own door. It could look like this one maybe, or maybe it'll look like this one, or this one, or it could even end up looking like a mirror. Whatever it is, we will create a portal, and under that portal I will guide you through a visual representation of your inner child, however she or he shows up. And she could show up in a number of different ways, with different expressions, different emotions. She'll show up however she feels like showing up, or he. And your inner child will show up at whatever age it wants to show up at. So I've met the 2-year-old me, a 10-year-old, and even a 15-year-old, and all the ages in between. And you do not have to be artistic to do this. I have provided a template for you to print out and use if you don't feel comfortable drawing your own. And it doesn't matter how messy you are, because no one else has to ever see your drawings. They're not for anyone but you. So don't let a narrative of not being creative or not being artistic stop you. I would be happy to guess that your inner child won't care. It'll just want to colour. After I've taken you through that, I'll then guide you through a writing process where you can communicate with your inner child and it will communicate back to you. I will warn you though, if any of you have spent any kind of time with kids, you'll know they don't have filters like we do as adults. They almost always just say what they think and they don't care what you think. They will let you know how they feel in no uncertain terms. They can be incredibly wise though, and your inner child is no different. Your inner child may not be all rainbows and unicorns either, especially if you've been neglecting that part of yourself for a long time, being too busy adulting. In a world where we have to adult way more than we would like, connecting to the inner child is incredibly beneficial because it will tell you what you're really needing, and it won't care what the world is telling you. It doesn't matter what you should be doing. So click on the link over to the Udemy course and let me take you on a journey that you can then take with you for the rest of your life. So I hope to see you there.